Hey there, gamers. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in gaming gear. In today's video, we're going to dive into the top 5 best budget gaming keyboards of 2023. So, if you're on the hunt for a reliable and affordable keyboard to enhance your gaming experience, you come to the right place. Let's jump right in. Coming in at number 5, we have the SteelSeries Apex 3 ERG-B gaming keyboard. This water-resistant gaming keyboard boasts an IP32 rating, providing protection against spill with its customizable 10-zone RGB illumination that reacts to games and Discord. You can create an immersive gaming environment. The Whisper Quiet gaming switches are built to last for over 20 million key presses, ensuring durability. Plus, the premium magnetic wrist rest offers full palm support for those long gaming sessions. And let's not forget the dedicated multimedia controls for easy volume and media adjustments. The SteelSeries Apex 3 is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious gamers. Next up at number 4, we have the Redragon 582 SURARA RGB-led backlit mechanical gaming keyboard. With its 104 anti-ghosting keys and multimedia shortcut keys, this keyboard provides excellent responsiveness and functionality. The 18 ERG-B backlighting modes allow you to customize your setup to match your style. The Automu red mechanical switches offer a satisfying typing experience, and the ergonomic design ensures comfort during long gaming sessions. With its gold-plated USB connector, this keyboard guarantees a stable and reliable connection. The Redragon 582 SURARA is truly a mechanical gaming keyboard that won't break the bank. Moving on to number 3, we have the CORSAIR 55 ERG-B Pro Dynamic ERG backlighting. This full-size keyboard features dome switches for a comfortable typing experience. With per-key ride-by lighting and 7 dedicated hotkeys for media control, you can fully customize your gaming setup. The 55 ERG-B Pro also comes with 6 dedicated macro keys, allowing you to program complex commands with ease. The cable length of 1.82 meters gives you plenty of flexibility, and the 1000 Hz use per port rate ensures fast and accurate keystrokes. CORSAIR has once again delivered a high-quality gaming keyboard at an affordable price. Coming in at number 2, we have the Razer BlackWidow V3 mechanical gaming keyboard, available with either Razer Green Clicky or Razer Green Clicky or Razer Yellow linear switches. This keyboard offers a personalized typing experience. The per-key RGB lighting allows you to create stunning visual effects and customize the keyboard to match your gaming setup. With onboard storage for up to 5 profiles, you can easily switch between different configurations. The Razer BlackWidow V3 also features a durable aluminum top plate and double-shot ABS plastic keycaps. It's a premium gaming keyboard without the premium price tag. And finally, at number 1, we have the HyperX Alloy Elite 2 mechanical gaming keyboard. This keyboard features HyperX red switches, known for their smooth and responsive keystrokes. With its per-key ERG-B lighting and 5 brightness levels, you can create a captivating gaming atmosphere. The Alloy Elite 2 comes with onboard memory for up to 3 profiles, allowing you to take your settings with you wherever you go. The 100 anti-ghosting and N-key rollover ensure accurate inputs, even during intense gaming sessions. If you're looking for a reliable mechanical gaming keyboard that won't break the bank, the HyperX Alloy Elite 2 is the perfect choice. And there you have it, the top 5 best budget gaming keyboards of 2023. Each of these keyboards offers excellent features and performance at an affordable price. Make sure to check out the links in the video description for more information and where to purchase these keyboards. Upgrade your gaming setup without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gaming gear reviews and recommendations. And as always, happy gaming!